I didn't break anything though. It was a big fall. First big fall. So yeah. Whew. Over here, on the other side of the other second big fall. Definitely gave me some like scratches, I guess. I went too far on the jump, so my front went down just a little bit. So if you turn your head the other way, yeah, well, it's just hurt a little bit. So if you did, oh, I tipped down. I went far from the jump and I tipped down, so my front just went like.
That's where you got to rev it. Coming down.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think I'll be alright. Probably just a head off. Just have a rest though. I got a ball on camera with that. Show that to my friend. I'd probably rather fall on my chest than do that.
That was that much shit. Whoa! You alright? You alright? No broken bones?